In this video, we will discuss 5 websites you can use to download free datasets for your machine learning and data science project. The first resource for financial and economical data is NASDAQ Datalink. This used to be called Quandl, but Quandl was acquired by NASDAQ. And now if you want to access dataset, go to this website, view catalog. There are premium and free datasets. If you click on free, you get all of these data. But in order to download this data, you have to create a login. So go to sign up, create a login. I already have a login. So I'm inside my account, and when I say free, let's say I want to access some estimates data, you can see all kind of economical data for different financial instruments, for different economic use cases, region, and so on. Let's say I want to download world agricultural supply, demand, and estimates. So I can click on expand, then download. You can download data in CSV, JSON, or XML. So a lot of useful financial and economic data that you can use in your data science and machine learning building process. Your second resource is data.gov, which is US government's official website for all kind of open data. Let's say I want to search for federal students loan related data. You'll find many resources here. Let's say I click here. Sometimes you'll find errors because it's a free website, so I know it's not perfect, but for some of the other types, you can download this data sets in an Excel file. So see, this is how it looks. They have more than 300,000 data sets, which is good. So you can use it for all kind of use cases. The next one is Google Data Search. So if you go to datasearch.google.com, it's a Google search for data sets. So here, if I'm searching for agriculture data, it will provide me all the resources. Now, it is sort of like Google search, so it will direct you to some other websites or external resource, but it's it has a lot of data sets available. The next one is very obvious, kaggle.com. If you know about data science a little bit, you should be familiar with this website. Very popular. So many data sets here. So you can go to kaggle.com/datasets, search for all kind of data sets. Let's say I want to search for PIMA Indian diabetes dataset. I can go here, click on data. You can see all the columns, everything. Click on download button. You can download the CSV file. The good thing about Kaggle is you will find a lot of notebooks. So for the same dataset, other people who have built these notebooks and data exploration exercises, you can explore all of that. So you get a lot of good ideas on your data science projects on this website. And the last one is computer vision related data sets. So for that, go to YouTube, search for Code Basic Computer Vision datasets. Here in this video, I have mentioned 3 different datasets that you can use, which is ImageNet, Coco, and Google Open Images. And now these datasets are annotated. They have information on image segmentation and so on. So if you're working on any computer vision problem, these datasets are going to be very useful. The video contains information on how you can download the JSON file, XMLs, etc. So just watch this video if you're working on a computer vision problem.